In the cozy village of Tout, Rio, a brave German shepherd, loved to listen to old legends by the fireplace. One night, the wise grandma of the village told him about the Barghest, a mystical dog who protected villages long ago. "Wow! I want to protect everyone too," Rio exclaimed, his eyes sparkling with excitement. The next day, Rio got his chance. A little duckling had wandered away from the pond and was lost. Remembering the Barghest, Rio gently guided the duckling back to its family, wagging his tail happily. "Thank you, Rio," quacked the duckling's mother. "You're our little guardian." From then on, Rio watched over his village friends, big and small. Everyone in Tout knew they could count on Rio, their very own